In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and edit UVs for a Polygon2D in Godot 4 using the built-in Polygon2D editor. Add Polygon2D and assign texture. First, add a Polygon2D node to your scene. In the inspector, assign a texture to the texture property so we can see how the UVs behave. Draw points from the 2D scene. At the bottom of the editor, open the Polygon2D editor and make sure the Points tab is active. Now draw your polygon directly in the 2D viewport. When you do this, the polygon points are automatically created in the editor. If you check the data section in the inspector, you'll see that the UV array is empty. That means there are no UV coordinates yet. You can move the polygon points to mask the texture, but you can't properly edit UVs yet. 3 ways to generate UVs. There are 3 ways to generate UVs from here. Method 1. In the inspector, find the UV property under Data. Click the Packed Vector to Array, then click Add Element to manually create UV points. The number of UV elements should identical with number of polygon points. Now select UV tab and move UV points you've just created to match with your desire. Method 2. In the Polygon2D editor, switch to the UV tab. This will automatically generate UV points for your polygon. Method 3. Click the Edit button in the Polygon2D editor and choose Copy Polygon to UV. This copies the polygon shape directly into UV coordinates. Drawing from the editor. If you draw points directly inside the Polygon2D editor instead of the main viewport, UVs will be generated automatically. You can confirm this by checking the Data UV property in the inspector. Once UVs exist, switch to the UV tab. Now you can move, scale, and adjust UV points to fit your texture exactly how you want. And that's how you create and edit UVs for Polygon2D in Godot 4. Thanks for watching, and happy game developing.